In this video, I'm going to unbox this DJI Osmo Action 4. What's up everybody? My name is Dan and this is Freely Roaming. I just recently bought this Osmo Action 3 and had planned on building this out for a compact, high quality travel vlogging setup, which I have done here with the exception of having my tripod attached. Literally weeks later, the Action 4 came out. So I decided to order this on release date, which is something that I rarely do. I usually let products kind of get out into the wild for a little bit before I buy it. But I sort of found this as an opportunity to really do an in-depth comparison of these two cameras. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. I pay for this camera out of my own pocket, full price on release day, the morning that it was released just a few days ago. You guys probably already saw a lot of videos on the Osmo Action 4. If you're watching this video now, you're probably doing a lot of research on whether or not this camera is worth getting. One of the things that I haven't seen a lot is whether or not the cages that are made for the Action 3 will work on the Action 4. So besides just the unboxing, I'm also going to try to fit this camera into this cage and also all the other accessories to see if it works with it. What we know for sure is that I use the same battery. What we also know for sure is that dimensionally, at least on paper, they're very, very similar. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and open this guy up. This Action 4 came in a surprisingly small box. This is the standard combo. A lot of the DJI sponsor creators have received the Adventure combo, which is, a lot of people recommend getting that one just because it comes with 3 batteries, it comes with the charging case, it comes with a handful of other things, the selfie stick, stuff like that. But if you already have the Action 3, in theory, you wouldn't need all the extra stuff. For an extra $100, if it uses the same battery and it uses the same accessories, you should be able to swap that stuff right over to the Action 4. So, let's find out if that's the case. Okay, around the inside I can see that the camera is right here, just slides right out. It's in a sealed plastic pouch. Let's open that up. There's the camera right there, the Action 4. Compare that with the Action 3. I know that people have said that the thread size for this lens cover is different because the lens is bigger, or at least the sensor is bigger, which theoretically could lead to a bigger lens cover. Let me take this microphone off so I can take the Action 3 out of the cage. So first thing first, we're going to see if the Action 4 will fit in this Action 3 case or not. By the way, this is the Neewer aluminum cage. Here's a moment of truth. Perfect. It fits exactly the way that the Action 3 fits. That's really nice. So there you go. You don't have to worry about getting a new cage if you already have the 3, because the 3 and 4, as far as I can tell so far, is dimensionally identical. Let's see what else is inside the box. A little silica gel packet. little accessories box. See what's in here. USB-C to USB-C cable. It's about a foot long. Thumb screw, which means the thumb screw goes with the plastic case that comes with. Inside, first we got a bunch of literature. This is the quick start guide. Set that aside. This is some kind of, what is this? The warranty paperwork. The safety guidelines. And 2 stickers. I don't know if I've ever gotten DJI stickers before. It comes with 2 little stickers. It's pretty cool. Okay. Nothing left in the box. Let's see what is inside. All tucked in here inside the cage. We've got one of these magnetic mounts that the Osmo 2, 3, and 4 are so famous for. Magnetic. Just like the Action 3. Let's see if it works on the Action 3. I don't see why it wouldn't. Again, dimensionally identical. Cool, comes with one of these. Comes with a curved sticker mount for probably like your helmet. Let's look at this cage. So this is the cage, the plastic cage that comes with it compared to the aluminum cage by Neewer. The reason why I get this aluminum aftermarket cage is because it has a cold shoe mount, whereas this one does not. And also this one has, just like the other one from Osmo Action 3, you can do horizontal mount with a magnetic clip mount. Okay, let's see if the obviously the Osmo Action 4 will fit in here. Action 4 fits in there just fine, and as you would imagine, once again, Osmo Action 3 being dimensionally the same, should fit in here as well. In fact, it's probably the identical case that came with the 3. Comes with a battery, one battery in the standard package, in the standard combo. So this is the lithium-ion polymer rechargeable, 1770 milliamp hour, 6.81 watt hour. This is what they call the extreme battery. So we should be able to fit that right here the same way that the Action 3 works. Peel this protective cover off, revealing the 1/1.3 inch f2.8 sensor and lens with a field of view of 155 degrees. So comes with another extra lens cover, looks like, or what does this do? Second lens cover? No, this is not a lens cover. This is just open. This doesn't have any glass on it or plastic. Just a threaded mount. Wonder what that's used for. Comes with these 4 little sticker things. I'm not sure what that's used for either. I don't remember having these in my Action 3, but maybe I do. If you know what this is for, leave them in the comments. Alright, so on my Action 3, I have a circular polarizer. And it's not supposed to fit the new one, but I'm going to try it. Let's see what happens. Alright, here's that. Here's the lens cover coming off. The old lens cover from the other one coming off. Will it fit? Let's find out. No, it will not fit. That's because you can see the hole that the actual lens pokes through, and the lens cover is a different size. Even though the threads are the same, the hole will not fit. So you do have to get a new set of filters for it if you are using filters on your Action 4. I'll go ahead and put that back on. I'll give you a better view of everything. I have this battery or this charging port door taken off so I can have my external microphone. But you can see this side looks very much similar. There's the front. The only real noticeable difference is where it says 3 versus 4 in a slightly different color. This side looks virtually identical. The top, except for the microphone grill, it looks the same otherwise. The back looks the same. The bottom looks a little different. There is no longer this rubbery DJI padding here, but the clamp mount looks the same. So there you go. That's the comparison between the DJI Osmo Action 3 versus the new DJI Osmo Action 4. There'll be a lot more reviews to come if you're interested in that kind of thing between these two cameras, so stay tuned. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.